Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor from the greater Seattle area, and I'm here with your weekly mortgage update for the first week of June 2025. Optimal Blue shows that mortgage rates as of last Friday, May 30th, that they averaged about 6.842% for the 30-year fix. So we're still in that tight range between, 6.75 and 7%, as we have been since early April. So please remember that Optimal Blue Index is an average from about 35% of the mortgage lenders who use Optimal Blue for when they go in to lock in a rate. And so we don't know when these rates are locked as far as how they're being priced, if it's with a point or no points, or if it's what the credit scores are or loan to values, how much equity there is. There's just a lot of factors into pricing a rate. So this is just intended to give you a rough idea of the how rates have been trending. And of course, these rates are expired as they are from Friday. And it's the first week of June, and that means that it's jobs week. On Wednesday, we have the ADP report, and the market is anticipating that we'll have 115,000 jobs added. And on Friday, we will have the jobs report, and the market is expecting about 130,000 jobs, with the unemployment rate remaining at 4.2%. So the jobs report carries a lot of weight with mortgage rates because it can be an indicator of inflation, such as wage inflation. If we see that the report showing that wages are increasing or hours are increasing, then we may see that the mortgage rates rise as well. And the same is true, or the reverse is true, is that like if we see a weaker than expected jobs data, then we will tend to see mortgage rates improve and lower. As I prepare us around 10:30 on Monday, we are seeing mortgage-backed securities down a bit, about 16 basis points. The Dow's down a bit as well, and this is largely because of trade tensions perking up again with China. Over the weekend, I met with clients via Zoom to review their pre-approval and come up with a strategy for them for buying their home. And this isn't something that all loan officers offer. And so I just kind of wanted to bring this to your attention that when you are getting ready to select a lender to help you with the purchase or refinancing of your home, you may want to ask what their hours are. If they are an internet lender or maybe someone that works for a bank, you may be surprised to learn that they're not available beyond banker hours. And this is because they're fed leads, and as a client, you become more of a lead than a client to them. And because they're fed business, they don't need to rely on you returning them for future business or referring them other clients after closing. So keep it in mind. I think that it's really important to work with somebody who is available for you when you need them, because real estate doesn't always happen between 9 to 5. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling your home, restructuring debt, or maybe even a reverse mortgage, I'm always happy to help you, even if it's months away. So take care, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.